Hey y'all. Huh? What? So this I ain't even start my vlog off right. It's like my first meet and greet with Honey Hair Co. I did start the vlog off right, but this is it. I'm gonna have to record a little bit of it. So when I do my meet and greet, I'm record that, and then we're supposed to be doing a photo shoot. We're supposed to do a photo shoot. Okay, so the whole plan was the plans. We get here Saturday, and now we're supposed to be leaving Monday so that we can enjoy at least a little bit of St. Louis. But we're supposed to do the photo shoot first, and then we're supposed to do the meet and greet, and then we were supposed to do a club. So now it's reversed. I'm excited. I'm not nervous, I should say. I'm kind of tired because I didn't get no sleep, but Duke got a lot of sleep, so he's driving. But yeah, and oh my god, the rental place yesterday, we was out all night. Mind you, I had to go to court in the morning, so that was one. I was up at 7 o'clock because I had to do that, and then I had to go see about the rental. Now, the rental, we was having a hard time getting the rental, and we still didn't get it. So we in my car, and then my mom and them is in my grandma's car. I think the RSVPs are sold out. But I'm ready. I'm just ready to change my motherfucking wig. That's what I'm ready to do. This is my outfit, y'all. I think it's really cute. Y'all can't really see it. But now since my waist so tiny, my belt, I have to I gotta put another hole in this belt so that it can be like tight. Mommy. Oh, see, now you being bad. She ain't hit you, baby. She just she hit the camera. Hey cousin. What? This camera quality is giving me all type of life. I just want to know how my lace looking up in this camera.
What's up, man?
That's all. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna see y'all as soon as we get to the mini green, because that's where we're gonna be headed first. And then I think I'll go back to go check into the hotel.
How you doing, baby?
Okay, look at me.
Oh God, I swear to you. I was like, man, you put this on? He was like, no. Okay. Well, he must have known you was on your way here. Stay with it. Okay, thank you for coming. Sorry, looking like I was waiting on my face.
We're looking at
I'll actually walk you back here to the birthday winners too. You can come back here, Bree.
Y'all ready for sure? Yeah, we just opened up
Why you ain't saying about the cold?
I know. You should tell that way to make sure you.
Just like, I could explain myself later.
Hey, I woke up and understand like women have the same faces. That's what I'm trying to look like. Maybe I should just go ahead and go to school so I can get more comfortable. School for what?
Okay.
Like get something.
Oh God!
Come here, Layla. She's so sweet. She's on the drip. She's right.
She's just trying to get used to it.
Look, Layla.
It's interesting. She's very interesting.
It's on high.
Thank you. I will hold your mom.
Then Mama take a picture of you. I'm trying to scope this thing out.
I feel like she's digging the vibe though. She's digging the vibe.
She digging the vibe.
You look nervous. Look, that's my gal. Her sister was hilarious.
You know you in there. You know you in there.
It's almost up there, so we gonna either find a strip club or a bar. I finally got my charger back. The lady wasn't even looking for my charger, y'all. But I wasn't even vlogging last night. None of it. We didn't really do nothing. So now we on our way to get some gas.
Go that way, man.
It was.
Yeah.
Damn. We still in St. Louis, y'all. The event went well. Dance and act like you know what I'm talking about. You know.
You gotta catch your phone.
Yep. That's what you be doing?
Nah, my phone's stay on.
No, you lying. Your phone be off. Boy.
Hello, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing, ma'am? I mean, sir.
Alright. Yeah, we're trying to find parking because it's getting crowded towards the heart. Get me off that camera now.
Come here, girl. You hold your hands around there.
Alright, y'all, so I just woke up. I spent the night at Duke House, y'all. But I just woke up because I gotta get up. I gotta go at home. But anyways, I'm going to the tattoo supply shop to get him some needles or something like that. And then I gotta go home. But today, we're definitely gonna be doing something. But I just want to wrap up this vlog. I don't think I will be vlogging today. Because I definitely want to get this up. But I had an amazing weekend. This weekend was fun. The funnest part was basically meeting my dolls, and also I had fun doing the scooters. So they have scooters out here now. I don't know if y'all know them. You'll see it in the vlog because I think he was just recording some of it. See you guys on the next one.